Hello, fellow rose lovers. It's your friend from Beautiful Rose Garden. After more than 10 years of nurturing these amazing plants, I'm beyond excited to share a magical secret with you today. You won't believe what happened overnight. 777 rose roots just appeared in my garden. Yes, really. Today, I'm revealing my completely natural method for propagating roses. Forget about chemicals, forget about complicated machines. All you need is a rose cutting, a little patience, and an ancient secret that's been passed down for generations. Trust me, the most important step is one that many people overlook. So, if you're passionate about flowers and nature's miracles, stick around until the very end. So, where do we begin? The first step is choosing a healthy rose branch. Look for one that's fresh green with smooth bark and a little springy. When you press it, you don't need a long cutting. 15 to 20 centimeters is perfect now. Gently remove all the leaves from the bottom half. This helps prevent water loss during the rooting process. Here comes a bit of garden wisdom use. A sharp knife or scissors to cut the base of the branch diagonally at 45 degrees. Why? It increases the surface area to absorb water and reduces the chance of water stagnation. Now, here's where the magic begins. Take a peeled garlic clove and gently rub it on the cut end of your rose branch. Sounds strange? It's not. Garlic is a natural antibacterial agent. It helps prevent mold and even stimulates root growth. Let's move on to the natural rooting mix. You'll be surprised how simple it is. Take a fresh carrot. Yes, a carrot. Chop it and put it in a blender. Carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals that support root development. Now add 3 peeled garlic cloves. Add about 1 cup of clean water that's roughly 300 milliliters. Blend it all together into a smooth, vitamin-rich mixture. Once blended, filter out the solids and keep only the clear liquid. This is your natural rooting solution, full of nutrients and antibacterial power. Now soak the base of your rose cuttings in this solution for 4 to 6 hours. Let the magic ingredients work their way into the stem. And now, here's the most important part: hydroponics. No soil, no sand, just our special solution and a little low light. Take a transparent glass bottle and a soft sponge. Cut the sponge to fit the bottle's mouth. This will hold your rose branch upright and keep the moisture just right. Pour your rooting solution into the bottle. Use soft plastic wire or string to hold the stem straight and stable. Gently poke the stem through the sponge so that the cut end touches the liquid inside. Now, cover the bottle mouth with a clear plastic bag. Seal it with tape. We're creating a mini greenhouse. Keep the bottle in a cool, shaded place with indirect light each day. Open the plastic bag for 10 to 15 minutes to let air circulate and prevent mold. If you notice any white mold, rinse the cutting, reapply garlic, change the solution, and replace the sponge. As long as the base of the branch stays green and firm, you're on the right path. Watch closely. After a few days, you might see tiny green or red buds on the nodes. That's a wonderful sign your rose cutting is waking up. At the cut end, you'll start to notice small white roots. Once both buds and roots appear, you've successfully started a new rose plant, completely naturally. Here's another tip from Nature's Toolkit: turmeric powder. Apply a little to the cut end to fight bacteria and protect against root rot. When the roots grow to 3 to 5 centimeters, you can transfer the cutting to a small pot. Use clean coconut coir as the growing medium. It's light, holds moisture, and helps young roots breathe. Place the pot in a cool, shaded area with gentle morning sunlight. Avoid strong wind or heavy rain for the first 7 to 10 days. Once the roots are strong and shoots develop, you can plant it in the garden or in rich, airy soil. From a single branch, you've created a brand new rose the natural way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Beautiful Rose Garden channel. Let's keep growing together, because every new sprout brings a little joy to life. See you next time.